How to fix Apple Store billing problem. If you've ever run into billing issues with the Apple Store, whether it's with your Apple ID, your payment method, or any charges you didn't recognize, this video is for you. Today I'll walk you through how to fix common Apple Store billing problems quickly and easily. So let's get started. Now, if your payment is declined, it's often because your payment method on file is outdated or incorrect. Here's how to do it. On your phone, simply open Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Now simply tap on Payment and Shipping. You may need to log in with your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID. Here you'll see your payment methods. Tap on Edit or simply Edit to update your credit card, debit card, PayPal, or any other payment method. Once you've updated or added a new method, simply make sure to save your changes. This should fix any issues with payment declines due to outdated payment info. Sometimes you'll see charges for things you didn't purchase. This could be because of subscription or purchases made by someone else using your Apple ID. Here's how to check your purchase history. Go back to your Apple ID settings, simply tap on Media and Purchases and tap on View Account. Now scroll down and tap on Purchase History. Here you'll see a list of all your purchases, including apps, subscriptions, and in-app purchases. If you see anything unfamiliar, it could be an accidental or unauthorized charge. If you find any charges you didn't make, don't panic. You can either report a problem directly from the space or contact Apple support to request a refund. Sometimes the issue lies with subscription that automatically renew. If you're seeing unexpected charges, let's check your subscriptions. Simply tap on Subscriptions. Here you will see all your active subscriptions like Apple Music, Apple TV Plus, or any third-party apps you've subscribed to. Check the renewal dates and cost to make sure everything looks good. If you want to cancel a subscription, just tap on your subscription and cancel it. And that's it. Hopefully these easy steps help you resolve any Apple Store billing issues you're facing.